Hi, this is Janet from Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make pumpkin streusel muffins. Extra soft, moist, and delicious. Let's begin. In a medium bowl, combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and pumpkin spice or cinnamon powder. In a large bowl, lightly whisk eggs, then add vanilla, milk, butter, pumpkin puree, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. Next, add the dry mixture in 2 parts and mix together until just combined, taking care not to overmix the batter. Now scoop the batter equally into 12 paper-lined muffin cups. Now for the streusel, combine all-purpose flour, light brown sugar tightly packed, granulated sugar, and pumpkin spice or cinnamon powder. Add melted butter and stir with a fork or spatula until crumbly. Do not overmix the streusel. Now sprinkle the streusel over the muffin batter. Bake in a preheated oven on the middle rack for about 20 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Remove from the oven and let cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, then transfer in a cooling rack to cool completely. For the pumpkin puree, I use the store-bought pumpkin puree in can. If not available, cut the squash or pumpkin with skin removed in small pieces, then steam until very soft and mash or use a blender to puree. For the streusel, you can press the topping into the batter and add more. When the muffins bake and increase in size, there will be spaces between the clumps of streusel. You'll have a little extra topping, but you can bake that for a few minutes until golden brown. After the muffins finish baking, you can sprinkle on this extra topping to fill up any of the spaces.
Delicious.
Try this recipe and let me know what you think. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.